By now, you have more ideas what your channel will be about. Let's see how you can find the right niche for it. The first place to start is a free tool offered by Google, and it's called Google Trends. Let's start with a few examples. I'd like to do videos about gaming, cooking, movies, and let's see which are the trends. To find accurate results, be as specific as possible. And well, gaming is not very specific, right? Because there are thousands of games, and I can't make videos for all of them. I created a gaming channel, and I did this mistake where I was playing a lot of games instead of being more specific. After I discovered this issue, I started playing only Spider-Man, which was just launched back then. I will enter here Spider-Man Remastered. Next, I like to cook vegan food, and I'm not going to enter just cooking as this term is too broad. So I will enter cooking vegan food. As for the movies, I enjoy watching the Marvel series. Now, depending where you are from, or where your channel will focus on getting subscribers, let's choose here, for example, United States. Choose the time frame as you wish, and I will choose YouTube search because that's what I'm interested in getting results from. As you can see, Marvel is searched the most. Now, let's see another method. We will go to YouTube and search for our keywords. Let's enter Marvel, and from filters, we will choose the upload date to this month or this year, and also choose the view count to see exactly how many views does this search term get. There will obviously be videos with a lot of views from old channels that are doing this regularly, so we can see this search term gets a lot of views. Let's do the other search term for Spider-Man, and we can see it's getting a lot of views, but it's half of what Marvel's search term is getting. You have to consider the number of videos that are out there for a search term. So Spider-Man, although popular, has less videos than Marvel, which has so many. That doesn't mean it's a bad search term. It's just one thing to consider when you decide on your final niche. Another method would be to find out your competitors' videos ranking. So, for example, I will pick this channel, go to videos, and sort by most popular videos. So what I would do in this situation is I might look at some of his most popular videos and see, is this something I want to make a video on? Is this something that's related to my channel, on my niche? And is this something that I could make a video on, meaning that I wouldn't copy his video? I would literally watch his video for inspiration, see what he was basically saying, and then put it into my own words, if that's something I could basically teach. I will talk about more ways to find a viral niche, but also which videos work the best in the YouTube Advanced course. So make sure to check that as well.